this is my Colt SOS build. So I got the Colt SOS frames, 20.75, short rear end, makes spin tricks easier. I got Primo rebar bars, 9.5 rise, pretty dope. Only bar I run. I've been riding the same exact bars, like not those bars, but Primo bars for like almost a year and a half now. I've been riding for a minute. I got Primo HD forks, Primo pegs, 4.5, all around, all in the back too. I got Primo front wheel to complete with a Colt D-Heart white tire, the slick, 2.4. I got the Colt headset, Primo bottom bracket. I got a Colt chain. It's snapped though, like one of the links is all fucked up. I got a demolition cranks, Colt DAC pedals, and I got a Colt tripod seat. I think it's a Primo seat post, I'm not sure, with the Primo free mix in the back. And yeah, that's my bike. I guess I'll do a trip real quick, keep filming it. Go over there. Hell yeah, it's my bike. Shouts out Colt, shouts out Primo. Follow Krew, Raider.crew. Follow your boy Matt _ your boy Matt with 4 T's. That's it.